Hydroponic. Hydroponic means horticulture of a plant, a method of growing plant using minerals, nutrient solution in water without soil. That is called hydroponic. Hydroponic is a Greek term made from two words, hydro and phonic. Hydro means water and phonic means labor. Types of hydroponic. There are 6 types of hydroponic. First one, nutrient film technology. Second one, deep water culture. Third one, big system. Fourth one, ebb and flow. Fifth one, drip system. Sixth one, aerobic system. Some examples of plant that can grow in hydroponic system: spinach, strawberries, bell peppers, beans, carrots, cauliflowers, cucumber and onions. Benefits of hydroponic system: up to 90% more efficient use of water, production increased 3 to 10 times in the same amount of space. Many crops can be produced twice as fast in a well-managed hydroponic system.